Hello guys, and welcome back to our channel. The Audi A4, a distinguished compact executive car, first graced the automotive industry in 1994 and has since evolved through 5 generations. Its latest, known by the factory index B9, made its debut in 2015, receiving a significant facelift in 2019. With the automotive world constantly advancing, it's time for the next evolutionary leap, and the upcoming generation of the Audi A4 has already made its appearance in spy shots captured during road tests. Although these glimpses predominantly showcase the station wagon variant, they provide valuable insights into the evolving design of one of the brand's flagship models. The Audi A4 continues to stand out as a beacon of innovation in the fast-paced world of automobile manufacturing. In the upcoming generation, we'll see a departure from tradition as the radiator grille becomes notably more compact and introduces a fresh design approach for the crossbars. Simplified in form, the headlights will incorporate one of the LED running light designs we visualized. A notable change is the hood connector separation from the grille, a move away from what's been characteristic of the brand. The bodywork is set to adopt a slightly more curved aesthetic, moving away from the current model's more angular design. Although our illustrations feature traditional door handles, spy shots have revealed variations with recessed handles, a design element expected to also feature on the future Audi A6 Avant. At the back, horizontally stretched lights dominate, potentially linked by an LED strip in the new iteration. The upcoming A4 is anticipated to be the last to offer internal combustion engines, transitioning to a modernized MLB platform shared with numerous Volkswagen models. A focus on hybrid and electric options is evident, with the top-tier RS model possibly boasting dual electric motors delivering a combined output of 475 horsepower and 800 nanometers of torque. The debut of this exciting new model could happen before this year's end, marking a significant milestone in the brand's evolution towards more sustainable mobility options. 2025 Audi A4, estimated price, starting around at $42,295. Guys, if you like the video, please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon button to get the latest videos. Thanks.